Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer WordPress domain to Wix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your WordPress website and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. And once you log into your account, there you'll find an option that says domain. Simply click on it, and once you click on it here, what you need to do is simply unlock your domain by simply tapping on the transfer lock and toggling it off, and then toggling off your protection, website protection. And once you do that, what you need to do is get the authorization code for your transfer. Now once you are done with that, what you need to do is head over to your Wix website, and once you are inside here, what you need to do is log into your account as well, and then click on here, find option that says connect a custom domain, and then what you need to do is enter in your domain name and then click on let's go. And once you do that, here what you need to do is just enter it once again and then click on let's go. And now in order to connect it, you need to upgrade your site with a premium plan as well. And once you do that, what you need to do is just follow the process and enter in your authorization code, and once all the process is done, your transfer will be success. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.